There are a lot of methods out there to help you learn everything there is to know about Forex trading. Some work, most don't. Unfortunately, most methods promise the world but just don't deliver on helping and teaching you to get the results that you want. But what if there was a guide that would very quickly get you the results you're wanting? Not just for the short term, but for the long term too. Not only that, but helping you learn the correct mindset and knowledge in becoming a better Forex trader, so you can see the results you've been wanting. If you're planning to start Forex trading, or have already started and failing in the process, then you need a guide that can provide you with everything to help you succeed. So let me introduce you to Forex and Trading Expert, a guide that's jam-packed with tried and tested methods so you can see results fast. There are so many products available in teaching you about becoming a Forex trading expert, making it a challenge to know what the best solution is for you. These resources can be helpful, and it's a great idea to research each one of them to know what will work best for you and what methods you should use. But what you're needing is a convenient all-in-one resource that will help you become more knowledgeable in this subject before you begin. That's why this new guide, all about becoming a Forex trading expert using practical advice, is a guide that covers all these topics in one. This is an easy-to-follow guide, and anyone can use it to start learning everything there is to know about this subject. So whether you've already tried Forex trading or planning to start, then this product will guide you through the main principles to help you master everything there is to know about this subject. Don't wait and end up missing out. Grab your copy now by clicking the button below to gain instant access today.